Hello and welcome to another update on Solana. The Solana chart is here on the daily chart still working on this 5-wave move up. We could be close to completing this 5-wave pattern at the same time. There's no confirmed top. So while I'm monitoring for a top, I'm not going to confirm a pullback in wave B or 2. We know that, right, from experience. I hope everybody on this channel knows that. I mean, everybody who's been with us for a while at least, that crypto rallies can extend more than you would think they do. So while we can identify ideal targets, and the price has reached that now, I mean, that $170 area was kind of the next upside target. It's been reached now. All 5 waves could be complete. On the nano level, I think we can get another move higher, so we'll take a look at that. But yeah, what if it just continues to extend? Because we don't have a confirmed pullback. The move up is still unfolding. The trend is still up from the April low. So from that point of view, just be mindful. It can still stretch higher. At the same time, risk for a pullback has increased because we're quite far from a potential support area, which, to be honest, for a B wave pullback or a wave 2 pullback would be between $108 and $139. This would be a standard support for this kind of pullback. But on the smaller time frame, I am tracking a micro support region that would give us a first indication that such a pullback has started. For now, that's not the case yet. Okay, so there's no way we can confirm a pullback. We shouldn't expect one right now. We can watch for one, have to pay close attention to micro support. And then if the pullback remains a corrective pullback, so it remains a 3-wave move, and it's kind of maybe slow overlapping, it might take a few weeks to complete, then this would set the stage for another rally in what I've labeled wave C in white, or even the 3rd wave in the yellow scenario, which would be the more bullish case. And the yellow count is still preferred. I mean, there's no change about that. Should ideally get to around about 360. That would be ideal. But there is absolute no change about this daily chart forecast so far. So looking at the shorter time frame, though, on the Solana chart, I mean, is there any change? There's no change either, but I'm not sure. I mean, since yesterday, no, I don't think we adjusted support, but I want to double down on the structure that's developing right now because we have a break below the trend line. So my view was, at least that's what I communicated, that once we get a break below that green trend line, we have an early indication that at least this wave 4 pullback is unfolding. Now, that could be a triangle. That could be an ABC structure, WXY. It doesn't matter so much what the exact microstructure is in this wave 4. I promised you a support zone that we can track, a micro support area to watch that can keep the door open for higher prices more directly as long as it's holding, right? And that is here the $159.67 level. As long as we are holding above that level, the overall pressure is up. And any break below 159.67, especially if it's a decisive break, would indicate that we have started a larger correction. I already communicated that larger support area to you. It's between $139 and $108. This would be the broader support area. And I've also shown here how that correction would unfold ideally. It would ideally unfold as an ABC structure. So, and that can take a few weeks. I mean, I would not be surprised by that. For now, we can see that we have a 5-wave move up from this low completed or nearly complete. Yeah. Again, it takes a break below $159 to confirm that further. So for now, the thesis is we could stretch higher, possibly to $180 to $191 next. Communication over the last few days was that we should ideally reach this blue zone, and it's been reached. So yeah, for now, looking really at micro patterns, if we go to the 30-minute chart, you can clearly see that this is moving sideways. And this could be a triangle. It's typical for a sideways consolidation, typical for a Saturday, and typical for maybe a wave 4 triangle or a flat correction. So no real change there, but once we get a break above these last swing highs, sort of a $175 to $176 area, the market might be on its way to $180 to $191. And that would still be expected at the moment, at least as long as we're holding above the $159.67 level. Yeah, that's the update on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. And if you're interested in the membership, check out our channel page. There's a 2-minute video that explains the member benefits. For example, you get access to our member-only videos today. I covered Casper a few days ago, Virtual, Ondo, Near, and many more. Biggest benefit is probably tomorrow's member live stream. Every week we do that one at 5 p.m. UTC. In addition to that, you can get access to our Discord server as a gold member, where we cover a lot of additional coins, charts. Today also Casper, DOT was covered, ADA, Rune, Doge, Ethereum, Trump coin, yeah, Bitcoin was covered, many more will be covered, Render as well. So yeah, check it out if you're interested. Hope to see you there. Thank you very much. Bye bye.